All right, hello, Algebra 2 students. Welcome back from Thanksgiving break. I sincerely hope all of you had a good break and it's an enjoyable time. And yeah, getting back at it this week, we are going to do the last day of 5.3. So there's a bunch of days on this, but we're doing our third day of that. Today there is two videos and it is a little bit longer video lesson. So it'd be one of those ones if you can attend the live class, that'd be great. If not, watch these couple videos. It's longer because there's a lot of review. I wanted to hit some of the stuff earlier from chapter 3 because it's been a long break. So a long review in addition to some new information. Then an assignment on day 3 of 5.3. And then looking ahead a little bit, we split this chapter up into two tests again. So the next day is going to be a review and quiz. Then we're going to do 5.4, review for the test Thursday, and then take the test on Friday on the 5.1 to 5.4. So that means if you need help with any of this stuff, get it done. Also, if you're retaking the last test, chapter 4, part 2, get that done by the end of this week. All right. As always, I'm here. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you. All right. Have a great day.